when you are restarting your listener and you are getting the error Oracle services listener services on local computer starts and then stop services. Some services stop automatically if they are not in use by the other services or program. If you get similar error, then how to fix it, I am going to discuss that in today's video. So let's see how to fix this. Like generally, if you go to restart this, you will get the similar error. While restarting, you will get this error again and again. So how we should fix it, that will be seeing here. So I'll be starting the database first. I'll restart the database service, and then I'll go to see when I'm trying to connect, it's failing here. So I'll try to connect after restarting the services. I'll be connecting it here. Is connecting, then start up. By that I'll start the database service, and then next what I have to do, I have to again check the services. After starting the database, I have to see the service, what exactly the problem is there with the service or not. If there, then I have to look for the things like checking the environment variable. If there is a mismatch in environment variable, then I have to resolve that actually. So after resolving that, that will start working, I hope. So let's, once it will get started, we'll see that. Yeah, now the database is coming up with 12c database. Yeah, this version is select version from $v instance. Yeah, it's 12c database. Select name comma open underscore mode from $v database. Now we'll see, yeah, database is up and running. Now we'll see the listener is still failing, I hope. lsnrctl status. Yeah, it's still not connecting, it's failing with the same error. So for this situation, how to fix it, I'll just open the environment variable here. In this case, sysdm.cpl. After opening environment variable, we'll see environment variables once. In that, yeah, we have to see Oracle Home is having different, because I have done the database installation of 19c also in that machine, so it has modified the variable value for Oracle Home. That I'll correct it so that it can work with 12c 12.2.0, and then now Oracle Home has been changed, and now the path has to be correct. Currently I can see 12c as well as 19c both are there, so I'll be just removing the 19c completely from here, and then I will restart my services now. Hopefully after that a listener should work. Yeah, now you can see I'm not getting the similar error what I was getting before. So now I'll just see the listener status now. lsnrctl status listener. Yeah, it started now, so it takes some time. Like, let me connect to database once. Now again database is connecting. Let me set the environment variable once for 12c. After that I'll start it. Yeah, now we are connecting with 12c. I'll see the listener now. LSNR CTL status. Yeah, now it's correct. Now we have resolved the issue. So this is the way to resolve this issue. So thanks for watching till here.